With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
For the following data of daily wages in rupees received by 30 laborers in certain factory, construct a group frequency distribution table by dividing the range into class intervals of equal width, each corresponding to 2 rupees, in such a way that mid value of the first class interval corresponds to 12 rupees. And here are the class intervals, and here are the daily wages. So we have been given data of daily wages of 30 laborers. That means our frequency should be equal to 30, and we need the class intervals of equal width of 2, and the first class interval should have mid value as 12. So our class intervals will be class intervals. That will be the lowest value that we have in the distribution is 11, and now we have to keep mid value as 12, and difference of 2 should be there. That means 13, and this will go up to the highest value I can see here is 24. So 14 to 16, then 17 to 19, then 20 to 22, and 23 to 25. Here we will construct a table which will have other two columns as tally marks, and the other column as frequency. So the number of frequencies from 11 to 13 is 4, from 14 to 16 is 8, then 17 to 19 is again 8, 20 to 22 is 7, and 23 to 25 is 3. So we'll load tally marks for the following 1, 2, 3, 4. For 8 it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.